Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn that bell on so you never miss a future upload, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. First, I'm just starting off with this deep red shade from the ColourPop and Karuchi palette, and I'm just blending that in my crease. Then I'm going in with this bright red shade from the ColourPop Displease palette, and I'm blending that in my crease as well. Then I'm just taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to carve out my crease. Then I'm just going in with a neutral eyeshadow on my lid to set it. Then to do my winged liner, I'm going in with my Mary Jo K lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics.
Where do you go when your heart's with a fever? Won't you scroll, but you won't leave her?
Then I'm taking this lemon head glitter in the shade Roosevelt, and I'm making a line above my crease.
All the sweet neon dreamers.
And then to clean up the edges and just spots where glitter got that I didn't want it to, I'm just using a spoolie. I'm just using a Marc Jacobs pink liner for my waterline. Then I'm going in with this glitter from plurfestivalmakeup, and it's just different hearts, and I'm just putting this on my lower lash line and then bringing it down. Then I'm just going in with mascara and some false lashes. Then for my blush, I'm going in with Glisten from Tarte, and I'm applying it on my nose as well. Then I'm going in with the Love You So Mochi highlighting palette, and I'm using the pink shade out of it to highlight my nose. Then for my lips, I'm going back in with the same Marc Jacobs lip liner, and then I'm using the Mary Jo K lipstick on the edges of my lip, and for the center of my lip, I'm going in with Coco K and making it like a ombre effect, and I'm just blending the edges together. And I just went in with a clear gloss over the top, and then I added Funfetti from Jouer in the middle.
When you're restless, when you're fun, 'cause you're desperate.